Okay, let's begin to install the Corsair Vengeance. I'll call it Vengeance RGB Pro. Okay, you guys ready? Okay, you're going to have to put it in the red slot on the left, the first one. Put the bottom in first. And once you get that all seated in the bottom, then you put your hand up to the top, hold on to the computer pretty good here, and press down, make sure it's starting to go in, and then press harder, and it will snap in. There you go. Now, number 2. These are both 8 gigabytes each. Put it in the far right red. Set the bottom part in first. Make sure you feel it seating, and if it starts sliding in at the top, then you got it in properly at the bottom. Then press in as hard as it takes to get it to snap in. And there you go. Okay, now I need to turn the power back on the computer. We'll see if it will start up. See if I did it right. It will start up. Okay. If not, it won't. Both lights came on the memory, which means that it is working. Let's look around over here at the computer. Let's get this box out of here. And these 2 old memory chips. There it is. We did it right. Yes, we did. There it is. Take a look at it. Strobes from the top to the bottom, like the rainbow. Okay, everybody, that's it. Let's back off of this Omen by HP 880 desktop gaming machine. You also can see the NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 2080 Founders Edition all plugged in. Okay, this is cooler out.